love it. If I love Egypt so much.
تتكلمي مصري؟
شوية شوية. أنا مولودة بأمريكا بس بفهم بعربي.
UK. Yes, yeah. Where did you UK? North Wales. And for the lamp tagine. There's with oil.
Yeah, they say the Moroccan.
Put it in the tagine. Yes. If you're not adding vegetables,
Proper pro. Yeah.
you think it's good.
They're so funny.
Doesn't have vegetables that's gonna
Yeah, exactly.
take from the salt. Yeah.
Sorry.
You flip your. Can I show you how to make? You only take prunes, but they dry. Fire. So we cut the head first. For the tomato. Now you're gonna take a break. Okay. You're gonna rest for like this, like the first one, and then we're gonna come back to make it. Okay? There are some locals with us. I'm gonna give you some locals with us, put it on the table. You can chill. The ingredients is, here is the ingredient. We have here semolina, white flour, yeast, and the salt. So I mix all the ingredients, just make it easy. Then here I need warm water. I need warm water to activate the yeast. Okay? Like this, okay? We did it like this, so soft. Now I'm gonna add oil. This is not olive oil, this is sunflower oil. Sunbloom oil. A little bit. Here I'm gonna make like 2 balls or 2 breads like. You're gonna make only one, okay? So it will not take that much long. Here I'm gonna shape like a ball. So this is the easiest way. Bring the sides to the middle. Then I press like a burrata, like this. Then I flip it. Okay. Same thing with this. By the way, when I'm gonna or she gonna add for you oil, stop kneading it anymore. We don't want the oils go inside. If the oils go inside, it will not be like this. Okay. Then I flip it. Here is it. Okay. So you can start. So we need here oil, sunflower oil, and semolina. By the way, this semolina is a little bit more thicker, more than the one we use for the dough. So this make it crunchy from outside. Then, so first step is oil. Okay, like this, and semolina. Take it gently like this. Then tap, tap, tap. We need it to be same level, like this. And again, we add oil. And semolina. So the semolina make it like crunchy. That's why. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the oven.
Oh, that's we have.
Okay, you can come closer to see. That's it? Yeah, good.
It's up to the.
Wait 2 seconds or 3. Then start check slowly. Yeah.
Yeah, but you guys don't say that here. No way. You say Zweden.
خلاص يلا عارفه نقلبها زي كده وبنستنى 3 ثواني.